Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of yesterday class. Actually, the last day class I have finished with the concept of Gauss-Jordan method. So I know some of the students have doubt. I have taken for the Gauss-Jordan method with the concept 3 into 3 matrix set. So 3 into 3 matrix set also, I think A1, A2, A3, then B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So 3 into 3 matrix set means definitely the augmented matrix we have to convert for I3 will come. But the given question, look at there in your book, example 1.20, given this is actually 2 into 2 matrix set. So 2 into 2 matrix set means definitely we can comparing I2. Just you can compare, okay, the last day class and the present class of the first topic, okay. So then you will get it more idea, okay. Now this is 3 into 3 matrix set, but here the given question 2 into 2, that's I have taken for I2. So augmented matrix means the given condition, listen very carefully. So augment matrix with I2, isn't it? So I2 means the augment matrix, the given set, given what is the set? 0, 5, minus 1, 6, then again one slash. I2 means definitely we know identity matrix 1, 0, 0 and 1. Now the condition starting with 1 we have to show. So we have to make it this result convert for the identity. When you get it identity matrix from the given matrix, we will get it one more another one set, that is called inverse of the matrix, okay. So listen, first starting series, that's just I converting, yeah, according to the elementary transformation of matrix. So elementary transformation of matrix, the concept number 1, interchanging. Now we can interchange any row or column. So I have changed it for R2 interchange R1. What will happen? R2 interchange R1 means minus 1, 6. Again next condition also we have to change 0, 1, then 0, 5, 1, 0. Okay. Next we need starting positive 1. So there is negative set, therefore we have to take it R1 gives R1 into minus 1. So row 1 completely into minus 1 means minus 1 into minus 1 positive 1. 6 into minus 1 minus 6. Next condition 0 into minus 1 0. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Row 2 as it is 0 5 1 0. 0 5 1 0. So now next what we have to do, already under the term identity matrix means 1 0, actually the column of the term 1 0, definitely 1 0 0 1 will come, isn't it? Here we have to show the value will be 1. What we have to do, 5 divided by 5 value will come 1, no. So now again R2 gives R2 divided by 5. Therefore otherwise we can write it 1 by 5 into R2, okay. So 1 by 5 into R2. So what will happen? R1 as it is, R1 1 minus 6 0 minus 1, 1 minus 6 0 minus 1. So R2 completely into 1 by 5, isn't it? 0 into 1 by 5 means 0. Again 5 into 1 by 5 means definitely 5 into 1 by 5 means 5 cancel, answer will be 1. Next condition 1 into 1 by 5 means definitely 1 by 5. Next condition 0 into 1 by 5 means value will be 0. Now look at there. So 1 0 1 is there, but we have to show instead of minus 6 the value will be 0. Then only we can say identity matrix of with 2 into 2. So now next condition what we have to do, R1 gives R1 plus 6 into R2, okay, 6 into R2. So R2 as it is, what is R2? 0, 1, then 1 by 5, 0. Next one, R1 plus, listen very carefully, R1 comparing with R2. So 1 plus 0 means value will be 1. Next condition minus 6 is there, R1 value minus 6 plus, again 6 into R2 is equal to value will be 1. Therefore minus 6 plus 6, minus 6 plus 6 cancel means value will be 0. Next condition, do very carefully, okay. So next condition, R1 plus here, no sorry my dear, the first one, no, R1 row 1, 0 plus 6 into R2 means definitely So 0 plus 6 into 1 by 5. So 6 into 1 by 5 means we can write now 6 by 5. Last condition minus 1. So minus 1 plus 6 into R2 value already 0 is there, isn't it? So now minus 1 plus 6 into 0 means minus 1 will come. Therefore, now look at there. This is identity matrix. Therefore, opposite of the term we can say inverse of the matrix. Therefore, A inverse is equal to therefore A inverse is equal to opposite side 6 by 5 minus 1 1 by 5 0. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by 5 take common outside means 6 minus 5. So 1 by 5 common outside. So 1 and 0. This is the answer for example 1.20. Okay. I will continue the next example. Moving to example 1.21. Find the inverse of A is equal to given 3 into 3 matrix set by Gauss-Jordan method. Okay. Solution. Given actually 3 into 3 no. So 3 into 3 means argument comparing with I3. So argument matrix true 1 1 then 3 true 1 true 1 true. Condition argument identity 3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now look at there. Starting we have to show value will be 1. What we have to do? R1 completely 1 by 2 no. So 1 by 2 into R1. Now each and every time 1 by 2 means true by true. Value will be 1. Next one directly we can write it 1 by true. Next time also 1 by true. Then opposite side 1 by true 0 0. R2 R3 as it is 3 true 1 3 true 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. R3 true 1 true true 1 true 0 0 1. Now next condition after taking 1 under the 2 term value is 0. So 3 is there. 3 means R2 gives R2 minus 3 into R1. Next condition 2 is there. Therefore R3 gives R3 minus 2 into R1. So listen very carefully. R1 as it is. What is R1 term? 1 1 by 2 1 by 2. Next one 1 by 2 0 0. So R2 minus R2 value 3 minus second 3 into R1. So 3 negative 3 value will be 0. Next condition R2 minus. So 2 minus 3 into R1 value 1 by 2 isn't it? 1 by 2 means we can write now 2 minus 3 by 2. So 2 minus 3 by 2 means 2 into 2 4 minus 3 by 2. Therefore value will be 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Next condition again R2 minus. So 1 minus 3 into 1 by 2 means so 3 into R1. Therefore we can write now 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 into 2 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. The value will be minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. Next condition look at there. So next condition here isn't it? R2 minus 0 minus 3 into R1 value. So 0 minus 3 into 1 by 2 means minus 3 by 2 isn't it? Minus 3 by 2. Next condition 1 minus. So 1 minus opposite side 0 is there. Therefore we can write directly 1. Again 0 minus 0 means the direct value will be 0. So now R3. So R3 value R3 minus 2 into R1. R3 value 2 is there. 2 minus 2 into 1 because R1 value already we know 1. So 2 minus 2 value will be 0. Next condition 1 is there. 1 minus 2 into again R1 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means listen very carefully 1 minus 1 value will be 0. Next condition 2 minus 2 into R1 value again 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 means 2 to cancel. 2 minus 1 means value will be positive 1. Next condition here 0 minus 2 into R1 value 1 by 2. Again 2 cancel. 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Next condition, 0 to comparing 0, 0 is there. 1 and 0 comparing, only 1 will come. So now next step. What is our next step? So now the next value under the 1 is there, under the 2 term also 0. So the middle of the term we have to show value will be 1. What we have to do? The condition R true gives, directly we can multiply, 2 into R true. So R1 R3 as it is. What is R1 term? 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2, 0, 0. R3 also as it is. 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Each and every term multiply into 2, the row 2, isn't it? Listen, already 0 is there. 1 by 2 into 2 means 2 cancel, value will be 1. Next condition, minus 1 by 2 into 2 means 2 cancel, minus 1. Next one, minus 3 by 2 means 2 cancel, minus 3. Here 1 into 2 means positive 2, there is 0. So now, so the middle also 1 is there. Already down term 0. The first term we have to show 1 by 2. What the value will come? 0 we have to show. So 0 means we have to apply. So R1 only, isn't it? So R1 gives. So R1 minus R1 minus 1 by 2 into R2. Okay, no. R1 minus 1 by 2 into R2, isn't it? So now listen very carefully. R2 R3 as it is. What is R2 R3 times? 0 1 minus 1, 0 1 minus 1, minus 3 2 0, minus 3 2 0, R3 0 0 1, 0 0 1, then minus 1 0 1. Now R1 minus R1 R2 comparing, 1 and 0 comparing means only 1. Next condition is an R1 value 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 2 into R2 value 1 is there. Positive 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2, value will be 0. Next condition, 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 2 into R2 value, already minus 1 is there. Now minus into minus plus, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means value will be 1. Half plus half, value will be 1. Next condition, again R1 minus, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into R2 value, minus 3 is there, isn't it? Minus 3 means minus into minus plus. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Therefore 1 plus 3, 4. 4 by 2 means value will be true. There is value will be true. Next one. So next one, 0 and comparing true. 0 minus 1 by 2 into 2 means definitely minus 1 by 2 into 2 means 2 cancel, value will be minus 1. Next condition, R1 minus, actually R1 R2 value 0 is there. Directly we can write it 0. Now next term, see already 1 0 0, 0 1 0, here also 1 is there. So only we have to show the third part only, the first two term, third element of first two term we have to show value will be 0. So what we have to do? R1 gives R1 minus R3. Similarly, R2 gives R2 plus R3. So R1 and R2, isn't it? So R1, listen, R1 minus R3, 1 minus 0, value will be 1. Again 0 minus 0, value will be 0. 1 minus 1, listen there, R1 minus R3, 1 minus 1, value will be 0. Next condition, 2 is there, listen, minus of R3, already minus 1 is there, therefore 2 plus 1 means value will be 3. 3. The next one, next condition, minus 1 is there, R1 minus R3, minus 1 only, because R3 value we have 0. Next one 0 minus 1, value will be minus 1. Then R2 plus R3, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 3, listen very carefully, minus 3, minus 1, therefore minus 4 will come. Then 2 plus 0, true, 0 plus 1, 1. R3 as it is, what is R3 times 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Therefore, see, now this is, we can say, no, I3, identity matrix of I3. This is called inverse of the matrix. Therefore, A inverse is equal to therefore A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 2 and 1 minus 1 0 and 1. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, I will continue the next question. Okay, be stay on the line. Moving to exercise 1.2, question number 1. Okay, actually in your book given 5 subdivision, so I have taken for subdivision 1, 2 and 4 only. So do the homework subdivision 3rd and 5. Okay, don't worry my dear students. So I hope you have some idea regarding how to find out the rank of the matrix. Okay, the by minor method. Okay, if you have any doubt you can put in comment box. Okay, I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, shall I move on to question? Subdivision 1 solution. Solution, actually this is 2 into 2 matrix set, isn't it? So 2 into 2 matrix set means first determinant A is equal to, what is the value? True, minus 4, minus 1 and true. Apply now 2 into 2 means 4, cross multiply also minus, therefore 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 will come. 0 means definitely we can say rank does not is equal to true, not equal to true. So rank not equal to 2 means definitely, so less than 2 means 1 will come now. Comparing any one number, if you take it any one number means modulus of 2 means again value will be true. Therefore this is called not equal to 0, therefore we can say no, rank is equal to 1. Okay, I am moving to subdivision true. So subdivision true, question minus 1, 3, 4, minus 7, 3, minus 4. See, this is 3 rows and 2 columns, that is called 3 into 2 matrix set. So 3 into 2 matrix set means the minimum is equal to true. Therefore definitely we can say rank less than or equal to true. Check it first, 2 into 2 matrix set, what will happen? So determinant A is equal to rank of minus 1, 3, 4, minus 7. Minus 1 into minus 7 means positive 7, 3 4s are minus 12, isn't it? So now 3 4s are minus 12 means 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Therefore this is called not equal to 0. Therefore we can say no, rank is equal to true. Okay, subdivision 4. Okay, so subdivision 4, this is directly we can say 3 into 3 matrix set. So 3 into 3 matrix set means rank less than or equal to 3. Now the determinant A value, determinant value 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 4, minus 6, 5, 1, minus 1. Signs conversion plus minus plus. Again 1 means 4 into minus 1, minus 4, minus 6 into 1 means minus 6. Last one plus 2 means, if you skip row and column of minus 2 means 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 6 into 5, minus 30. Sorry my dear, plus 30 no, because common minus will be added whenever cross multiply. Next condition, plus 3 means 2 into 1, 2, 5 4s are 20, so minus 20. Therefore minus, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, cross multiply means there positive 6 will come now. Therefore there only one true is there, remaining the term plus 2 into minus 2 plus 30 means positive 28, plus 3 means minus 18. Therefore 2 plus 2 into 28 means 56. Last one 3 into minus 18. 3 into minus 18 means 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 30 means 54 minus 54. Therefore 56 plus 2 means 58. 58 minus 54 means positive 4. This is called not equal to 0. Therefore we can say rank is equal to 3. Okay, this is answer for subdivision 4 for question number 1 from exercise 1.2. Okay, I will continue the next question. So question number 2, 3 subdivision is there. One by one we can discuss. I am moving to subdivision 1. Subdivision 1 question 1, 1, 1, 3, true, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 7, 11. The row echelon form already you know. What is the main concept? When starting the non-zero digit under the term will be 0. Already starting non-zero digit is there. We have to show under the 2 term value will be 0. So what we have to do to make it for 0? So now R2 gives R2 minus 2 into R1 as well as R3 gives R3 minus 5 into R1. Now R1 as it is 1, 1, 1, 3. Then R2, listen very carefully. R2 minus, therefore true minus the first condition completely into true, isn't it? So now 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus true, value will be 0. 1 into 2, true, minus 1 plus true. Positive 1 will come. Sorry, my dear. Center minus, isn't it? Therefore, so R2 value already we know minus 1. Then center common minus is there. Then 2 already we know 1 into 2 means 2. Minus 1 minus 2 means value will be minus 3. Next condition 3 is there. 3 is there minus of 2, isn't it? So 3 minus 2 means value will be positive 1. Next one 4 is there. 3 into 2 6. Therefore 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Third row R3 minus 5 into R1, isn't it? So 5 into R1. What will happen? 5 means again 5. 1 into 5 means 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to value will be 0. So 1 into 5 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. 1 into 5 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to positive 2. 3 into 5 15. 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. Then next one. Second row minus 3 is there. Under the term we have to show 0. So what we have to do? Third part. So R3 gives R3 plus 2 into R2. R1 R2 as it is. What is R1? 1, 1, 3, 0, minus 3, 1, minus 2. Next condition, listen very carefully. R3 comparing R2 means 0 plus 0 means 0. Next condition R3 value minus 6 minus again 2 into R2 value again minus 3. Therefore minus 6 plus into minus minus. Sorry my dear, where is the mistake? There minus, isn't it? Then only minus will come. Here we have to take it minus. Then only look at there. Now R3 minus 2 into R2. Therefore minus means minus into minus plus. 2 3s are 6. Therefore minus 6 plus 6 means value will be 0. Now we can write it 0. This is minus. Okay. Next one again R3 minus. R3 minus means 2 minus 2 into R2 value 1. Again 2 minus 2 value will be 0. Last condition R3 minus 4 is there. Again common minus. So 2 into R2 value again minus 2. Therefore minus 4 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 plus 4 means value will be 0. Therefore after getting the row echelon form, now we can check it. How many number of non-zero row? Because the condition we need to find out rank of the following. Rank means according to the condition. So number of non-zero row, first row also non-zero row, second row also non-zero row, third row completely 0 row. Therefore final answer number of non-zero row is equal to number of non-zero rows is equal to 2 means definitely we can say rank of A is equal to true. This is your answer. Okay, I am moving to subdivision true. Subdivision true, the question 1 true minus 1 3 minus 1 true 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 1 positive 1. This is actually 4 rows and 3 columns, isn't it? So 4 into 3. The condition according to the row echelon form, when starting the non-zero digit, 1 is there, under the 3 term we have to show 0. So what we have to do, R2 gives R2 minus 3 into R1. Next one, 1 comparing, isn't it? So directly we can write it, R3 gives R3 minus R1, as well as R4 gives R4 minus R1. R1 as it is. What is R1? 1, true, minus 1. Next condition, R2 minus, isn't it? So R2 minus means, so R2 minus 3 into R1. Listen, R2 value 3 is there, minus 3 into R1 value, 1 is 3 minus 3 value will be 0. So and every time into 3, isn't it? Here also into 3, here also into 3. Now 1 into 3, 3, 3 minus 3 is equal to value. Again 2 into 3 is 6, minus 1, minus 6, isn't it? Therefore we can write it minus 7. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. But listen very carefully, true common minus is there, again minus 3. Therefore 2 plus 3 is equal to positive 5. Next condition, directly R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Again minus 2 plus 2. R3 minus R1, no? Yeah, minus 2, no, sorry my dear. Minus 2 means minus 4. Next condition, 3 is there. Common minus R3 minus, so 3 plus 1 means 4. Next one, again 1 minus 1, 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next one, 1 plus 1, value will be 2. Now, when starting the non-zero digit, minus 7 is there. We have to show minus 4 and minus 3, make it for 0. What we have to do? Before moving to the 0, first to minus 7, make it for 1 means it will be very easy under the term to make it for 0. So listen, first one, R2 gives minus 1 by 7 into R1. Sorry, made 1 by 7 into R2, okay? 1 by 7 into R2. R1 as it is 1, true, minus 1. R3, R4 also as it is 0, minus 4, positive 4, 0, minus 4, positive 4, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 3 and positive 2. Next one, each and every time in minus 1 by 7. So minus 1 by 7 means already minus 7 is there. Again minus 1 by 7 means, so 7 cancel, minus into minus, plus 1, isn't it? Next condition also 5 by 7, isn't it? So minus 5 by 7. Now next one, now we can make it very easy, no? So under the 2 times 0, under the 2 times means first one, R3 gives R3 minus plus 4 into R2. Then R4 gives R4 plus 3 into R2. Write it here, okay? This step we can write it here, okay? The condition, R3 gives R3 plus 4 into R2. Again R4 gives R4 plus 3 into R2. 1, true, minus 1, 0, 1, negative 5 by 7. Then 4 into R2. R3 plus 4 into R2 means definitely R3 value minus 4 is there. Minus 4 plus again 4 into 1. Definitely minus 4 plus 4 means value will be 0. Next condition also, listen very carefully. There is 4 is there. Then 4 plus 4 into R2 value minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7 means 4 minus that 20 by 7. So 4 7s are 28. 28 minus 20 means 8 by 7. Next condition. Next one. R4 plus 3 into R2. 3 into R2 means again 0 0. Last one R4 2 is there. 2 plus 3 into R2. Now minus 5 by 7. So minus 5 by 7 means 2 minus 15 by 7. 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 15 means minus 1 by 7. Again, so last term we have to show 0, but each and the R3 and R4 fraction term is there. To make it for whole number means it's very easy to under the term 0. What we have to do? R3 gives 1 by 7 into, no, 7 into R3, as well as R4 gives again 7 into R4. So now R3, R1, R2 as it is 1, true, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 5 by 7, again 0, 0, 8, again 0, 0, minus 1. Again one more change also is there. R3 gives 1 by 8 into R3. 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 5 by 7, 0, 0. 1 by 8 into R3 means definitely 8, 8 cancel, positive 1. Therefore, again 0, 0, minus 1. This is minus 5 by 7, okay. The final term, directly we can apply now. R4 gives R4 plus R3. Therefore, R1 term 1, 1, minus 5 by, sorry my dear, 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 5 by 7, 0, 0, 1. Last one 0, 0. R4 plus R3 means minus 1 plus 1 means 0. Now we can say now the condition find the rank of the matrix means last row 0 row. Therefore, number of non-zero row, row 1, row 2, row 3. Therefore, number of non-zero row is equal to 3. Therefore, rank of A also value will be 3. This is our answer, okay. So, I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, you can put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts, okay. I will continue the next session. Bye-bye.